Hi there, I'm Casey, and this is my 2019 WR250R Yamaha. I'm going to be installing some handlebar risers by Warp 9 and just had a couple tips that might help you in your installation. Alright, as we can see here, this is what the old mounts look like. Got the replacement by Warp 9. It adds 1 inch to the overall height of the handlebars. Had to do a little modification because the bolt that comes with it is extra long, and I didn't want to have a whole bunch of extra bolt just hanging out down there getting banged up or caught on stuff, so went ahead and bought a couple of nuts, chopped it down, and gonna put it together like that. To get it apart, you're gonna need, or at least I recommend, a 17mm wobbly that's gonna fit on the old nuts. A 19 is what you'll need for the new ones. Gonna take a 6mm hex head wrench here to adjust or to tighten down the new caps. Let's get them put on. For ease of assembly, I went ahead and left all the cables and grips and everything attached. That way I can just set it all back together and not have to make any extra adjustments. So one of the reasons I chopped these bolts short was so that I could actually get a wobbly onto the new bolts. There's a raised section of aluminum on both sides. They're a little different on each side, but it makes it a little difficult to get in there and actually tighten them down. I'll show you the other side. Now on the right side of the bike, that raised section is quite a bit bigger, so it's a little trickier on the right-hand side. Let's put it together. Okay, now that I have the riser mounts set in place with the nuts started, I'm going to use the straps on the handlebars to keep my spacing and get everything tightened down and adjusted and put together. Okay, I have everything loosely assembled so I can adjust it, and that way when I tighten down on those nuts, everything should go together nice and straight, keep all the tension off everything, and then I can get the angle of the handlebars adjusted just right. Just to get on this right side is a little tricky. You got to turn the wheel to the right, and with an extension you can get past that nub on the frame and actually get the wobbly on there. I'm going to get my handlebars set up just right. Slowly tighten down the cap pieces. That feels pretty good right there. As you can see, it looks quite a bit better being short like that versus having a huge chunk of threaded rod hanging down below. All right, looks great. I'm gonna fire it up, ride it around, and then retorque everything, and the project will be complete. A little cold outside. All right, first impression after the first ride. Feels excellent. My back is a little straighter, which is great. I happen to have a long torso. Handling felt excellent. Very happy with this product so far. Now I have to get out and do some real riding. Thanks for watching.